Hello, my name is Crystal Nassar with Tuscany Florist in Rancho Mirage, California, and I'm going to show you how to make tropical flowers. I'm going to start with your typical tropical holder, which is usually in a nice vibrant color, and I'm going to use some Oasis to secure the flowers. Just slides in there easy. Push it down. We're going to fill it with water. And then I'm just going to green the base a little bit. I'm going to use some nice leaves, some lemon leaf. Just kind of cover that Oasis a little bit. Okay, that's enough. So what I'm going to do is start with my background, which is going to be a palm. Okay. So let's cut this a little bit. And now we're starting with this nice backdrop. Okay? And then we can put, say, one more flower. We want to do angles. We like to balance. So now we've got some nice lines going here. And I'm going to use this gorgeous heliconia. So now that I've cut the stem at a nice angle, it's going to go very easily into my Oasis. Make sure it's angled right. And just push it all the way to the bottom. And that's a nice start there. Okay. So next I'm going to add some ginger. We're going to start with, we're going to put one higher, and then we're going to kind of cascade them down in different heights. So we'll do this one a little shorter, and then we'll do this one shorter than all of them. So it's down at the bottom there. Okay. So we've got some nice lines with our tropical arrangement going, and now we're going to get the tea leaf and fold it over and get a thin wire and just kind of wrap the leaf at the base here. And now we're going to have a wonderful accent leaf. Kind of stick that in there. And now I'm going to put our main focus flower, which is these beautiful white dendrobium orchids. They're very long lasting. And we're just going to now angle them to the different side so that we're kind of balancing this arrangement. Just start putting them in there. And there you have a beautiful tropical arrangement.